We're back. Another vlog, another day in the life, kind of. We just got to the shop today. We're gonna work on a this cool ass Roman style sleeve that I started a while back, and either the camera's so fucking close to my face, forgot to bring my other lens, so this one's like, so my bad for that. But yeah, let's go do a tattoo and then see what the weekend brings, man. So. So what we'll do is, buddy, how you doing, man?
Yeah, I am around now.
Like pretty big, yeah. And then I'll fill this in with some shading, and then this big piece, we could use that to fucking sculpt them back here, like, and make it like a whole. Alright, cool. Yeah. Or even on like the inner arm, like here. Oh yeah, like that. Put that thing right. We are done. Alright, dude. We finished our tattoo. Go check it out on TikTok, Instagram, preferably both. Yeah, I guess that's gonna be my new like scheme to get people to check out my tattoos, is not actually show them on here, which is kind of fucked up, so my bad, but you gotta do what you gotta do. Anyways, we are headed to the house. We're gonna go pick up the wife, the kid, and we're going to the track. Shocker, right? I know. We're going racing this weekend, headed to the last round of the Central City Outdoors, so that's where we're gonna go now. Hopefully it's a good time. So catch you guys in like new package day. We got some new gear. Companies actually didn't send me shit. Well, they sent me a lot of stuff. All I had to do is buy it. But anyways, I have like a weird, like an unhealthy obsession with gear and everything and boots. I don't know, I just never had that shit growing up, so now that I can have it, I just love it. I have a lot of it. But let's check it out. Let's see what it is. Let's see what we got. I never had a pair of brand new Tech 10s, funny enough. I always buy them used off of like MX Locker or Dirtbike Depot or, you know, MX Boot or something like that. I've never bought a new pair, so this is pretty cool. Dude, this stuff, FXR just dropped a new line. I don't know if you can tell or not, but I sweat their stuff, dude. Like, it's the best gear on the entire planet. It feels incredible. Oh, that one's sick. Purple. This is loud. My favorite. Sorry, my dude is over there bouncing. He's not hyped at the moment. This is sick. It'll last all of about 10 minutes before it gets destroyed, but I should have done all this shit last night. We'll pick this back up in the truck.
As you can hear in the background, I started laundry at 5 o'clock this morning.
That's a real housewife right there. You're on some Tina Brooks shit right now.
No shit.
We made it. Gonna unload and fucking get ready. We got the fam coming up today. My father-in-law will be here, sister-in-law, nieces, brother-in-law. Be a whole crew.
Whole pit crew.
A whole pit crew, yeah. What's the chances of you unloading all this stuff?
-20 to 0%.
Hi there, good
He said,
morning,
"I do
big
it.
dog.
I do
Good
it."
morning, big dog. What are you doing? You excited to go racing, Bubba? You excited to go racing? Yeah.
Look, we got a support
Check
t-shirt.
out the merch. That's so sick. Oof. Shop jerseys by Shub. Plug it. Shop jerseys by Shub. Oh, that's sick. I won. I two. I three. I won. I two. That's three. Oh. What up? Shit right now, so my bad. But go out, check out the track. Got a big crew here today, dude. It's gonna be a good time. All my other buster ass friends didn't come, so they're not gonna be here this time. But check you guys in like 20 minutes.
Track I was doing the track.
Yeah.
Then I was like distracted.
How you doing? How you like your... Back on the vlog.
That's right, bud.
I still ain't edited that footage from that original day. What a day, man. What a day. About to go out for practice. Thanks to my wife for doing my jerseys. I appreciate that. What's up? What's good? me see this bike.
You got a spot right here.
I'm right here.
There's Trey.
Fuzzy and whiter than Emerson's ever was.
Let me see your shirt.
Show your
Check your shirt out.
That's a wrap. Day is done. Central City, last race of the year, outdoors. We did it. It ended up pretty cool, man. I got a second one class, and then my good buddy Taylor bombed me in a corner and sent me flying. No, I'm just kidding. He did take me out, but it's all good. We'll let it be. Anyways, that's it. I didn't get too much footage today. Shelb's got some race footage. Appreciate that.
Yeah.
And I didn't get too much though. We just kind of enjoyed the day with our family and hung out, but we'll make the most of whatever this one can do, and got a cool video planned next, so see you guys next time.